So with Premiere Napa Valley, these wines are made once a year. We get one shot. When I'm making a Premiere wine, my first thought is, where are the best grapes on property? We know specifically where in the vineyard we get the highest quality fruit. We're able to focus on canopy management, cluster architecture, fermented individually in small vessels, and are able to put in small pieces of other varietals to really enhance the quality of the wine. When I am at an event or a dinner with friends and family and I see a bottle come out with a Premiere Napa Valley label, my first thought is, this is going to be an experience. This is going to be something innovative. It's something that the winemaker, producer, has experimented with and pieced together thoughtfully. As a wine lover and collector, this is your one opportunity to procure a unique wine from Napa Valley.